Big statements from Sergio Gord, Donald Trump's nominee for US Ambassador to India, in his Senate confirmation hearing. He laid out US's expectation clearly on trade, energy, and India's relationship with China. Gore said the US and India are not that far apart on a deal on these tariffs, and he expects solution in the next few weeks. He described trade talks as ongoing but positive. He made it clear that the US wants India to stop buying Russian oil. He said President Trump has been crystal clear about that, and he wants Indian market opened for US crude oil, petroleum products, and LNG. Gore emphasized that India is a strategic partner whose trajectory will shape the region and beyond. He said it will be a top priority for Washington to pull India away from China. He called out Chinese expansionism as being everywhere, not just on India's border. He also talked up India's huge middle class, saying that the India's middle class is larger than the entire US, and that creates countless possibility for US products and energy exports. He sees opening of markets like oil, gas, and LNG as a big opportunity. He concluded with optimism the hiccups in US-India ties over tariffs, energy trade, etc. can be resolved. He believes a trade deal is within sight and Washington is prioritizing this strategic partnership going forward. With energy, trade, tariffs, and geopolitics all on the table, will India tilt closer to Washington or continue balancing ties with China and Russia? That's the big question. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.